Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different because I'm gonna teach you maths, or let's practice maths with me. The question is, if 3 ones at 5 is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit, what is the value of z? Explain why there are two answers to this problem. Now, first let's understand what is the meaning of multiple. Now I'm going to explain in such a way that you guys have a zero knowledge on maths. I like to say things very deeply, so let's just start with it. Now, multiple of 9 means the number which is found in the table of 9, that is 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 27. So like 36, 27, 45, these are the numbers that are found in the table of 9. So any number which is found in the table of 9 is known as multiple of 9. Same goes to any number. If I ask you, is 25 the multiple of 5? You're gonna answer yes. Why? Because 25 is the number which exists in the table of 5. So are we clear about multiple of 9? I hope we are clear. So 3 ones at 5 is a multiple of 9, which is already given in the question. Now z is a digit, means z is a number which can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, any number from 0 to 9. Okay. Now, what condition do we have? We have the 3 ones at 5 is a multiple of 9, that is, whatever the number is gonna be in place of z, that number is gonna decide if this number is a multiple of 9. But we have to make sure that whatever the number comes in place of z will make the whole number a multiple of 9. Okay, now it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have two processes to find out whether we have two processes to find out whether 3 ones z5 is in the table of 9. We have two processes, sorry. Now one process is lengthy process, that is, we are gonna fit all the numbers here, like 3 1 0 5, 3 1 1 5, 3 1 1 6, and then we are going to divide this all number. It's gonna do 3 1 3 6 3 1 3 4 6. We're going to place every other number in place of z and we're going to divide it by 9, and if the remainder is 0, then we're gonna say that it's a multiple of 9. But don't you think it's a very long process to add all the other numbers, all the possible numbers here, and we're gonna do it for the 9th time? So that's a lengthy process. Instead, we also know that, let me erase this. I have not completed the question. First we have to find out the value of z, and then we are gonna get two numbers or two values of z. Now we have to explain why we have two numbers instead of one or whatever. So first we know the lengthy process. Now let's do simple one. First let's write the given facts from the question is given. We know 31Z5 is a multiple of 9. So now those who knows, those who don't. Let's remember that a number is, okay, I hope it's visible. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. This is the main statement that we must focus. Now how can we find out if a number is divisible by 9 or if a certain number is a multiple of 9? Let's assume that everyone knows only up to 9, 10 to 90. Okay, after that we don't have any idea. Now I give you a number as just an example, that's why I'm using pencil. Now if I give you a number, let's assume 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that's kind of a big number. Now if I ask you if it is divisible 9, I have not asked the remainder of this number. I just asked you if this can be divided by 9 or if it is in the table of 9. Now what we are gonna do is we're gonna add all the number present here. Now what is the answer? 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So do we have 22 in our 9 table? No, we don't. So this is not divisible by 9. Do we get this? So this statement proof, by using this statement we are doing this. Okay, what are the digits which are given to us? Digits of 31 Z5 are 3, 1, Z and 5, right? Now sum of digits equal to 3 plus 1 plus Z plus 5, that is 9 plus Z. If you add 0 in the value of Z or instead of Z, the answer will be 9, which we can find in the table of 9. So 0 is one possible answer. The second possible answer is if you add 9 plus 1, it's gonna be 10, which is not in the table of 9. If you add 2, 9 plus 11, 3, 4, 5, 6, you add up to 8, you're not gonna get the answer. But if you add 9 plus 9, you're gonna get 18, which is in the table of 9. So possible values 9 plus Z. Let's add 0. 9 plus 0, instead of Z we are adding 0, that is 9, or 9 plus Z we have one answer, that is 0. The next answer, let's add 9 plus 9, that is 18. Therefore 9 or 0 make the sum of the divisible by 9. What is the value of z? The possible value of z is 0 and 9. Do we get this question or do we get the solution? Let's move on to the next question. That is, it's kind of confusing, but it's really easy. If you understand this, it's gonna be easy. I take a number that leaves a remainder of 8, okay, when divided by 12. It means there is a number, okay, this is the dividend. If you are confused, this is the number which we will get divided, it's known as dividend, and the number here, this is divisor, and whatever the number in the up is known as quotient. Dividing whatever the answer comes, it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever, it is known as remainder. Okay, are we clear? Okay, now there is a number, when we divide by 12, the remainder comes 8. Okay, there is a number, we don't know what number it is. The number when divided by 12, the remainder comes 8. Okay, I take another number which is 4 short of a multiple of 12. Their sum will always be multiple of 8. Now another number is 4 short of a multiple of 12. That means 12 2 is 24, right? Now multiple of 12 means any number which is in the table of 12, but it is less, whatever the multiple of 12 is, like it can be 24, it can be 36, whatever the number is, it is 4 less than that number. If I say that the number is 24, then the number will be 24 minus 4, that is 20. When we add this number and this number, okay, when we add these two numbers, we get a number which can be divided by 8, or which is the multiple of 8. The number is in the table of 8. Do we get this? It is not proved that if the number can be divided by 8 or not, but it is claimed by Snehal. Now we have to justify whatever Snehal claims is right or wrong. The number can be divided by 8 or not. So this is a little bit confusing, but take your time and make yourself understand this. Now we have to claim if the claim of Snehal is right or wrong. Okay, now let's rough this. I still have confusion in dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Let me write here. I hope this is easy way to locate divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Before starting this, let's know the division rule. The rule of division is, if we want to find out what dividend is, I mean this number is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Got it? Do we get this? If we want to find out dividend, then we have a rule or formula, a very easy formula. We just have to multiply quotient and divisor, then it should be added by remainder. Obviously, let's not forget this rule. Now for finding out the first criteria, that is, I take a number that leaves a remainder of 8 when divided by 12. We have divisor, that is 12. Now I take a number that leaves remainder 8, means the remainder is 8. We have the remainder. Now divided by 12 means 12 is the divisor, right? So finding out dividend, we have two values, that is divisor and remainder. We don't know about quotient. Now quotient can be any number. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we don't know the number, so let's take it as A. Let the first number be 12 into A plus 8, that is 12A plus 8. Divisor, quotient and remainder. We don't know the quotient, so let's take it as A, X, Y, Z, whatever you desire. Second number be 12B minus 4. Now let me put this as equation 1 and equation 2. I don't know, should I put equation 1 and 2? Whatever. Okay. Now the third statement in the question is, their sum will always be a multiple of 8. Means when we add this to whatever the number is, it must be a multiple. It should be the multiple of 8. That is, it should be in the table of 8. Okay. Adding 1 and 2. I'm sorry, that must mean this is a Roman 1. 2. We get 12A plus 8 plus 12B minus 4. What is the answer? Let me write the answer here. No, I think it's more appropriate. First, let us simplify this. 12A plus 8 plus 12B plus a minus 4. Okay, now we cannot add 12 and 12A and 12B because the variables are different, so we cannot add this, but we can subtract 8 minus 4. So 12A plus 12B, 8 minus 4. 12A plus 12B plus 4. If I take common, plus B plus 4, I have taken the common of 12. So 12A plus B plus 4. So now we have the equation, the statement that their sum is always be a multiple of 8. Now we have the equation. Let's find out if it is divided by 8 or not. If we take A as 1 and B as 1, let's see what the answer is. 12, 1 plus 1 plus 4, 12 into 2 plus 4, that is 24, plus 4, that is 28. Is 28 a multiple of 8? No. But if we take another example, if A equal to 2 and B equal to 1, you can take any number. 12, 2 plus 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 4, 36 plus 4, 40. 40 is the multiple of 8. 8 5 to 40. So here we have two different answers. One is the multiple of 8 and the other is not the multiple of 8. So can we say that the claim of Snehal is wrong? Snehal claimed that it's always, what did Snehal claim? Snehal claimed that their sum will always be a multiple of 8. She claimed that when the first and second number are added, the answer will always be a multiple of 8. So can we say that it's completely wrong? Because sometimes it's when the numbers are added, sometimes it comes the multiple of 8, sometimes it doesn't come. So we can say that Snehal's claim is wrong. I hope you have understood. So, and the sum is divisible by 8 for some values of A and B, but not for all values. Therefore, Snehal's claim is false because the sum is not always a multiple of 8. So this is the answer or solution to question number 2. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you like this kind of maths related ASMR, I can make another video. And if you have any other question related to maths, you can ask me. So let me end my video here. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.